Welcome to Lesson 4 in Unit 6, Mastering Mimicry. In this lesson, students will work to answer the question, what biomimicry ideas can we get from fruits? In this lesson, students continue to investigate plant parts. They investigate fruits to identify their functions. They brainstorm biomimicry ideas based on fruits. Students figure out that fruits of a plant carry the seeds. Students make connections to the storyline by investigating fruits and thinking about how inspiration from this plant part might be used to inspire human inventions. There are several opportunities for ELA cross-curricular connections throughout the lesson. You can look for specific standard connections in the Unit 6 Teacher Guide. This lesson will take approximately 5 days to complete. To begin the engage portion of the lesson, you'll play the pear flower opening to fruit time-lapse and have students observe the changes that the plant is going through. You'll ask students what they wonder about the fruit in the video. During your discussion, you'll revisit the driving question board and highlight questions connected to the learning goals of this lesson by calling attention to questions about other plant parts. For the Explore portion, you'll gather fruit and organize students in groups to examine the fruit and visible seeds. If you're not able to bring physical fruit into the classroom, you can show students images of fruit and its seeds. Pause this video to review the list of materials and photographs of needed items from your kit. Students should record any observations in the Fruit Observations Student Journal page. In the Explain portion of the lesson, students will engage in a class discussion to analyze their observations around the fruit investigation. Use the provided questions to guide your discussion around the question, what biomimicry ideas can we get from fruits? The goal of this class discussion is to share student observations of the fruits. You will use the discussion to create the Lesson 4 summary chart. From the discussion, students should understand that humans can use fruit as inspiration when they want to protect something or help move something from place to place, much like a suitcase. You'll read the book, A Fruit is a Suitcase for Seeds. Use the Read Aloud guide to ask students questions while you read. Post and discuss the fruit vocabulary card. You'll then have students work in pairs to label a picture of how plant parts help a plant get what it needs to survive in the Plant Part Functions Student Journal page. For the Elaborate portion, you'll reread pages 4 and 5 from Nature Did It First, connecting Velcro to a special dried fruit in the burdock plant. For the Evaluate portion, you'll have students work in pairs to match different human inventions with plant parts that have similar structures or functions in the Biomimicry Plant Parts Student Journal page. They can use the class models or any other student journal pages to help make the matches. To support student sense-making across the unit, orient students back to the driving question board. Ask, what did we learn about fruits? What biomimicry ideas can we get from fruits? What questions do we still have about plants and their parts? By the end of this lesson, students will have made observations of fruits to explain how their structure and function can be used as inspiration to solve a problem. In Lesson 5, students will investigate the similarities between adult and baby plants. For the optional Extend, you'll investigate the maple fruit and its inspiration to human invention. You'll play a couple videos for students and have a discussion about the maple fruits compared to a drone. For more information about this unit, visit myscipartners.com.